Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to draw the face of Maa Durga. First draw a circle, then make it oval shape. Make sure it's nice and even. Now let's move on to her eyes. Draw two almond-shaped eyes in the middle of the face. Don't forget to add a bold line on top to make her eyes look sharp and divine. Next, we will draw her nose. Now for the lips, make them a little curved as Maa Durga always has a calm and loving expressions. You can add your own designs to make it unique and beautiful. Let's add some more details like her earrings and make sure everything is perfect. Now we will draw the majestic crown or mukut on Maa Durga's head. It's detailed but fun. Let's give her the signature tilak and some forehead designs. You can add a bindi in the middle. Once you are happy with the drawing, you can start coloring. I am using yellow, red and gold for bright and festive look. And here is our final drawing of Maa Durga's face. Isn't she looking beautiful? Thank you so much for drawing along with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun drawings. See you next time.